ZENITH Defy Revival Shadow. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. The ZENITH Defy Revival Shadow is not just a watch, it's a captivating blend of historical legacy and contemporary design, meticulously crafted from robust titanium for a truly unique and powerful timepiece. Prepare to embark on a journey through time where vintage charm seamlessly intertwines with modern innovation. Drawing inspiration from the iconic 1969 Defy, the Defy Revival Shadow features a robust octagonal case, crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong microblasted titanium. This innovative material offers exceptional durability, ensuring your timepiece can withstand the test of time and any adventure you embark on. The distinctive matte finish exudes a raw industrial aesthetic, further emphasizing the watch's bold and contemporary character. The 14-sided bezel adds a touch of sophistication, while the unique titanium ladder bracelet seamlessly integrates with the case, providing a comfortable and secure fit. This innovative bracelet design pays homage to the original model, adding a historical touch without compromising on modern wearability. Powering this masterpiece is the renowned Elite 670 automatic manufacture movement, a testament to ZENITH's unwavering commitment to precision and performance. This Swiss-made marvel boasts 144 meticulously assembled components, operating at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 Hz, to deliver exceptional timekeeping accuracy. With a minimum 50-hour power reserve, you can rest assured your watch will faithfully tell time even when not worn for extended periods. The transparent case back offers a glimpse into the intricate world of fine watchmaking, showcasing the Elite 670's impressive engineering and craftsmanship. Beneath the captivating titanium exterior lies a dial that is both minimalist and mesmerizing. The matte black canvas offers a clean and legible background, allowing the timekeeping elements to take center stage. Luminescent hands and hour markers ensure optimal readability in any lighting condition, making the watch a reliable companion for day and night. Subtle vintage accents, such as the typography and Superluminova registered application, pay homage to the original Defy model, seamlessly blending heritage with contemporary appeal. The ZENITH Defy Revival Shadow is more than just a watch. It's a statement piece that embodies both historical legacy and contemporary innovation. This exceptional timepiece exudes a bold and confident character, crafted from robust titanium and adorned with a captivating matte black dial. Powered by the reliable Elite 670 movement and offering impressive functionality, the Defy Revival Shadow is a testament to ZENITH's unwavering dedication to watchmaking excellence. If you seek a timepiece that tells not only time but also a story, the Defy Revival Shadow awaits, ready to embark on a journey with you. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us. We read all comments carefully. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.